half a teaspoon of salt, a quarter teaspoon of baking soda, quarter, it's getting specific, isn't it? And 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Give that a little mix. We add in 2 tablespoonfuls of oil. I'm using olive oil, but oil's oil, I suppose, when it comes to baking. I just think olive oil will give it a bit more flavour. $60 grams of yoghurt. I don't know, that's probably, I reckon I'm going to go for 2 tablespoonfuls. I reckon that'll be about right. And then enough milk or water to get it all amalgamated. Should work at it about 100 millilitres, but don't put too much in it once and see how it goes. That's the best way. I'll give it all a mix. So you tend to use a fork. I think that mixes it enough, but you know, a dough hook, something like that, would work great. Yeah, I'm going to need a little bit more milk, it's a bit dry. I should be having a chicken Jalfrezi with it tonight. So chicken Jalfrezi and naan bread. But I'm cheating, I'm using a jarred Jalfrezi mix, because I've got half a jar ready to go. And that'll be just chicken and chopped up onion. So I'll show you that when I do it. There we go, I reckon that'll do it. Usual story, put it in a covered dish and somewhere warm, and leave it for at least half an hour, but several hours will be even better. Right, we're going for a very simple Indian, just having half a jar of Patak's Jalfrezi, pepper, onion and tomato, one and a half chicken breasts, chopped up and fried off first. So yeah, that's it really. So nothing very exciting to see. Just cut this up. roughly cube this up, and yeah, add it all into the fryer, into the pot, and fry it off, and then add the sauce and let it bubble away for about half an hour or so. That's all I'm going to be doing with it. There we go. Just bung it in once the chicken's browned off a bit, and that'll be it. And I'll show you when I pour the sauce in. Let that fry off for a minute or two, and then I'll be adding the sauce. And just add the jar of sauce. Give her a stir. And let that boil away for 20 minutes or so. Right, I'm chopping up some garlic to make the garlic and coriander naan. I'll have two, I think. So split them lengthways and then chop them long ways and then slice it. Add a little bit of salt. And crush them with the blade. Salt just helps them to grip, and the particles break it up. So you get some nice stringy garlic. Don't want it completely pulped, but sort of stringy like that. I'm going to add that in with some chopped coriander, can't say it. And that's going to be my topping. And should have enough here for 4. So let's get this out and have a look. It's been 2 hours ago, I think, I mixed it. So oh yeah, it's pretty doughy now, stringy. Get some flour on here, I think. So divide it into 4. And well, squash these bad boys out. I want to go down to, I don't know, 2 mil thick. So what's that? less than 1/8 of an inch. So yeah, fairly thin. Get a little roll. Put our topping on. Yeah, should have enough there for 2. We roll the topping in. At least try to anyway. Put the pan on. Then what we do now is turn this one upside down and get it off. There we go. Turn them upside down. Add a little bit of water. Form a little paste on the bottom, and this will help it to stick to the frying pan. It's a well seasoned cast iron frying pan, so we should be alright. It will stick to the bottom of the frying pan, and then we get it half cooked, and then we turn the frying pan over and we air barbecue the other side, like in a tandoor oven. So we'll see how that works. So I'm going to put it in to the frying pan. And we'll give that a few minutes. Hard to say how long it'll take. It takes as long as it takes, but as soon as you start seeing the edges going hard, it's time to turn the frying pan over. And now we go for the flip. It's just starting to cook around the edges, so I reckon that's just about right. It's hot, hot, hot. So now the paste on the bottom should have stuck it to the bottom of the frying pan, but not too much. And we should be able to flip it over like so and cook the other side. Let's hope it turns out. As an alternative, you could do a Yeast Naan, which is, oh, too many. No, about right. Sultanas and a bit of coconut. This one's my favourite. I like these. Again, roll it in like last time. Turn it over. Develop a bit of a paste on the bottom. And pop it in the frying pan. You want the high bits to be just lightly browned. I might have slightly overdone it. Then you should be able to pry it off of the bottom like that. Then you need to clean the pan before you do the next one. So there we go. I've put some butter and garlic on, and I shall spread that over the top. I haven't got a brush, otherwise that would be the ideal thing to use, but dollop out some curry. And there we have it. Get that out of the way. Yeah. Chicken Jalfrezi with the garlic and coriander naan. Oh, that's pretty good. Nice golden colour on the bottom. Yeah, I like that. So yeah, give me a thumbs up if you can, or if you enjoyed it, if you've learned anything, and see you next time.